It's on your phone screen and in your windows, but here's a secret. Glass is not actually a solid. Think about it. You pour water into a glass, it's a liquid. You put it in the freezer, it becomes a solid. The change is sudden and obvious. But glass doesn't work that way. Glass makers take a molten liquid like sand, soda, and lime at incredibly high temperatures, and then they cool it down. But when liquids are cooled, their molecules normally snap into a rigid, organized, repeating pattern called a crystal. That's solidification. Glass is a rebel. It avoids this crystallization entirely. Its molecules try to arrange themselves as it cools, but the process happens so fast they literally don't have time. They get stuck in a state of disorder, frozen in place exactly like they were when they were a liquid. So chemically and structurally, glass is classified as a supercooled liquid matter that has lost its ability to flow. It's a liquid in a state of perpetual pause. This leads to the famous myth about old glass, especially old stained glass windows in medieval cathedrals. You'll often hear that they are thicker at the bottom because the glass has flowed downwards over centuries. The image is mind-blowing, a window slowly dripping like cold honey over 500 years. And for a long time, scientists thought this was the proof of glass being a liquid. But it turns out that's not quite the flow we're talking about. The real reason those panes are uneven is far more human. Back then, glass-making techniques weren't perfect. The method often produced glass sheets that were naturally uneven, thicker in some spots than others. When installing them, the glaziers, quite logically, would put the thicker, heavier edge at the bottom for stability. So it's a testament to craftsmanship, not an epic slow-motion drip. However, the core science still stands. Modern, ultra-precise experiments show that glass at room temperature does technically flow, but we're talking unimaginably slowly, on a timescale of billions of years. So while your windshield isn't about to melt, the material in your hand is one of science's most fascinating oddities. A rigid, useful solid that is, fundamentally, a liquid in disguise. So does this change how you look at the world around you? Drop other mind-bending facts in the comments.